So, you've heard about Vivid Bank, right? A digital bank promising sleek design, personalized experiences, and a world of financial freedom. But, is it really as good as it sounds? Is it trustworthy? Let's dive in and find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Vivid Bank is all about. It's a mobile-first banking app that offers a range of financial services, from current accounts to investments. It's designed to be user-friendly, visually appealing, and packed with features that cater to the modern consumer. Now, the big question, is Vivid Bank trustworthy? To answer this, we need to look at a few key factors. Security. Encryption. Vivid Bank uses advanced encryption techniques to protect your sensitive information. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Regular security audits. The bank undergoes regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Regulation. Licensed and regulated, Vivid Bank operates under strict regulatory guidelines to ensure compliance and protect consumer interests. Deposit protection. Your deposits may be protected by a government-backed deposit insurance scheme, depending on your country of residence. Customer support. Responsive support team. A reliable customer support team is crucial for resolving issues and answering queries promptly. Multiple channels. Vivid Bank typically offers support through various channels, including email, live chat, and social media. User reviews and ratings. Positive feedback. A strong track record of positive reviews and ratings from users can be a good indicator of trust and satisfaction. Negative feedback. It's also important to look at any negative feedback and understand the reasons behind it. Based on the information available, Vivid Bank appears to be a trustworthy digital bank. It prioritizes security, is regulated by relevant authorities, and offers responsive customer support. However, as with any financial institution, it's essential to do your own research and consider your specific needs and risk tolerance. Additional tips. Read the terms and conditions. Understand the terms and conditions of your account, including fees, charges, and limitations. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments related to Vivid Bank. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets and institutions. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust Vivid Bank is up to you. By carefully considering the factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.